Okay, so I have this old picture frame here that I'm going to turn into a little display cabinet. So you can just remove the back here. Right. So I have this piece of, basically I ripped a 2x4 into a bunch of pieces a while ago, and so I just have this left over. And it looks like it's about the same width as right there. Right. So I think I'll just use this and I'll just cut it down to the right height. Yeah, so just rough cut. There, and I should be able to get 2 pieces of each out of there. So let's go over to the table saw, cut that. Okay, you can see that I've fitted it all in nicely. And then I'm just going to glue it. We're cut off with something as well. They've got a nice little edge on it, and they're not too thick, so I think that would be nice to make a little frame out of. So there we go. I created a little frame, matched it up so that it would be the exact same size as the picture frame here, and then just spaced them so they looked nice and even. There we go. So now I just need a backing, and so I'm just gonna, I have some of this board here that I'm just gonna cut out the size for the back and then put that on. Okay, then I lined up the edges and put on these massive hinges. They're the only hinges I had actually that were matching. So definitely these are overkill, but these are what I have. There you go. See if it works. Okay, that's all I need. Perfect. Then I just got some cheap paint from the dollar store. This one and this one. Applied it to the edge. I put a little bit on the hinges to make them look older. And that's about it. And then we just painted this out of a bunch of random colors to create this color. Put this one on the back thinking that it would be just like a picture where, you know, be able to hang nicely. Right, which it does. Right, there it is. But the only thing with this is that when you open, see what happens? Oh, I don't know if you can see. Okay, so there it is, nice and level. And then if I open it, look what happens. The whole thing turns because it pivots and because the door here is heavy. So this is not a good solution. One thing that you could do is you could just put through the holes there, you could actually just put some drywall screws, and that would really hold it and it wouldn't move. Okay, let's put the last one on the shelf here. And there you go, hanging on the wall, all done. And it's great, this little case can keep this stuff safe and out of dust. There you go. So thanks for watching today. And we'll see you next time. Bye bye.